You just purchased a rectangular waterfront log along a river's edge. The perimeter of the lot is 1,000 feet. To create a sense of privacy, you decide to fence along 3 sides, excluding the one side of the lot's length. An expensive fencing along the lot's front length costs $25 per foot. An inexpensive fencing along the 2 sides' widths costs only $5 per foot. The total cost of fencing along 3 sides comes to $9,500. What are the lot's dimensions? So the lot's perimeter is, if we have, this was our lot, we have a width of y, and a length of x. And we're going to call this our river. So our perimeter is 2y plus 2x equals 1,000 feet. Now, the cost of fencing 3 sides is $9,500. So it says that expensive fencing along the lot's front length costs $25 per foot. So we have $25 per foot, which is x, plus the 2 sides widths cost only $5 per foot. So we have 2 feet along the width times $5 equals $9,500. So now our equation is, and our first one is 2x plus 2y equals 1,000. And in our second equation we have 25x plus 2y times 5 is 10y equals 9,500. So now what we can do is cancel out one of our equations, one of our variables. And to do that, we're going to multiply our first equation by 5, negative 5, so that we can cancel out our 10y's. So when we do that, we get negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x plus negative 5 times 2y is negative 10y equals negative 5 times 1,000 is negative 5,000. And in our second equation we have 25x plus 10y equals 9,500. So now when we add it, we have negative 10x plus 25x, which is 15x. Negative 10y plus 10y is 0, equals negative 5,000 plus 9,500 is 4,500. So now we have 15x equals 4,500. So to isolate our variable, we divide both sides by 15, and we get x equals 4,500 over 15, or 300. Now we're going to back substitute our variable into one of the original equations. We can pick the first equation. So we have 2y plus 2 times 300 equals 1,000. So now we have 2y plus 2 times 300 is 600 equals 1,000. Now we have 2y equals, subtract both sides by 600. 1,000 minus 600 is 400. So let's Move this here. So now we have 2y equals 400. Divide both sides by 2 to isolate our variable, and we get y equals 200. So this means that our lot's dimensions are 300 feet long by 200 feet wide.